ヘビ丸飲み。
Oh my god.
帰れ。
Wow. Tasty.
Hello everyone, today we're going to be watching Chainsaw Man episode 8, and hopefully it's a little more peaceful and mild than the last episode. Did end up on an interesting cliffhanger, so let's see what's going to happen with Denji.
Is she carrying him?
I think so.
She sure is.
Yep. Not very well.
Badly. Yeah.
Hey, you know, points for the effort.
Yeah, I mean, she is very, very drunk.
Yeah.
I'm surprised she could even, like, walk or pick him up.
She probably has alcohol poisoning.
Oh, so this is before the whole scene from last episode.
Must be. Man, she is like a champ. Look at her. Is she drinking? She's drinking.
Yeah, remember? She had the beer in her hand last episode. Remember?
I just forgot. I'm like, oh my gosh, she's drinking.
See, it's only binge drinking if you stop.
Uh-huh. Sure. That is not water.
It is not.
He's probably
He's all about sharing some fluids.
I know. I bet he's like reliving something very traumatic right now.
Yeah.
でんでんでんじくんなんで私ん家に
Great angle, by the way.
私が連れてきたんだっけ
Did I bring you here?
See, that's what I thought. She said that last time. She forgot already.
なんじゃこりゃ
Please don't puke on me.
He already experienced that in a very terrible way.
しちゃう
Do what?
You gotta make sure this day and age.
I mean, fair.
Surely this isn't gonna happen.
いい子
Well, I didn't exactly expect him to fondle power either, but that
マキマ
happened.
さんとするはずだったファーストキスを
True.
いい子
ケロで汚した女に
Literally.
その女に初めて奪われた犬か
Oh man, is he gonna say no?
よし
I guess not.
Your expectations were too high. I bet she's gonna pass out or something, though.
Probably.
Oh my gosh.
んポッケになんか入っちゃるよんチュッパチャップス来たね
What is that? Oh.
A sucker?
デンジ君デンジ君大丈夫スーパーで酔い薬買ってき
It's
ちゃ
the
った
one in her mouth. Okay, maybe
寝る前
not.
に水と一緒に飲むこと
I still think that's
マキマ
likely.
さん俺
Man, look at
クソみ
Makima
たい
taking
なファ
care
ー
of
スト
him.
キスしちまいました
Yeah. Gotta take care of your
俺は
dog.
これからいろんな女性とキスをしても
Right?
きっと
I
キスのたび
remember
に
the taste of puke.
ケロの味
A
を
valid
思い出す
question.
Oh, I mean, yeah. It's totally the one from her mouth.
口開けて
It is the one from her mouth.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd take it too. I'm not gonna lie.
Of course you would.
多分一生ゲロの味は忘れられないよでも大丈夫デンジ君はこれから死ぬまでいろんな初めての味を体験するゲロの味を思い出してる暇なんてないよ
See, this is the part where I think, oh, maybe she's okay. But then I remember that she
チュッ
thinks
パ
he's
チャ
a
ップスの
dog.
コーラ味だね
You just gotta let it go.
She did pass out.
Well,
悪いなポチタお前もエッチしたかったら
glad he's thinking of his old friend.
初めてはマキマさんがいいんだ
So he
銃
said
の中を
no.
ぶっ殺すまで
He saw the sucker, remembered Makima, and said no.
I mean, that's what it's implying. She could have also just fell asleep. He's not really good at saying no.
デンジ君おはよう朝ごはん食べれる
Bet she's drinking again.
Maybe.
昨日の夜私酔ってて何も覚えてないんだけど、私に乱暴なことされなかった？
Well,
誰
you,
が
you
ゲロに
kind
な
of
ったや
tried.
つかよ。俺は初めてはマキマさんって決めたんだ。
ああ、よかったよかった。未成年に手出したら逮捕だからね。逮捕。デンジ君は変わってるね。普通この状況とか気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど。
はぁ？ただ飯食えるのになんで帰るんだ
I
よ。
feel you. Yes.
Same.
そういやデンジ君はマキマさん好きなの？
超好き。
例えばマキマさんの性格がクソでも好き？
See?
そう好き。
Oh my gosh. Denji's ridiculous.
よし、
Their
私がデン
personality's
ジ君と
great.
マキマさんをくっつけてあげよ
It's
う
not
か。
what she thinks.
うわマジ？
マジマジ。デンジ君、私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないか。
She probably doesn't
マキマ
want,
さんとくっつける協力するか
yeah,
らさ
him to.
私とアキくんくっ
Oh,
つけて
they're,
Yep,
they're
that's what I
arranging
expected.
a bargain.
あいつどこ好きなの？
顔。
See, they both don't understand each other.
いいぜ。乗った。同盟組もうぜ。
じゃあ今日から私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて友達で行こう。たまに朝食べに来なよ。マジンちゃんとアキくんを連れてね。
The Fiend.
She doesn't even get a name. Poor Power.
マキマさんも来ねえかな。
Probably not.
Yeah,
She's
probably.
too busy for that.
1時に会食がありますよ。
ちゃんとそれまでにお腹空かせますよ。京都の偉い人たちと会いたくないな。みんな
What
怖
doesn't
いんだもん。
Makima control?
ご飯は穏やかな気持ちで食べたいのに。昨日のお酒美味しかった。
See, what has made you to believe she's not good?
See, she gives me that vibe, but then sometimes I'm like, maybe I'm being too hard on her.
Well, sometimes I think I might be being too nice on her, and
Oh,
they're
I'm-
just gonna flip the script.
Yep.
But for now, she the best. Oh,
Well,
she might just be dead.
that would be an interesting way to end Makima.
There's no way though.
Oh
こちら
yeah,
C 班、こちら C 班、開始。
no way.
Oh, please. Please, I want to see her powers so bad.
Okay, interesting. We're just gonna have an old-fashioned shootout.
Didn't know we were in America now. Even the old lady.
Oh my gosh.
We really are in America.
なあ、本当に言うなら昨日交尾してないの
Not
か？
mate.
意外と紳士なんだよ、デンジ君は。
See, he did say no.
Not like she remembers.
Apparently she does.
幼少期に同じような味のもんしか食べてないと大人になってバカ舌になるらしい。舌がバカだと幸福度が下がる。
わし幸福じゃが。
店出るか。
俺のじいちゃんは世界一優しくてな。
Why is this random man just telling them about his granddad?
Who knows?
じいちゃんヤクザだったけど正義のヤクザでさ。こんな子供も数えるほどしか殺したことな
Only
い。
a handful of women and children.
ヤク売った金で欲しいもん何でも買ってくれてさ。
I'm glad that the dead
He's an
bodies of,
江戸っ
upstanding
子仇のいい人
citizen.
だった。
Go
yeah,
ahead.
glad their dead bodies can feed his
デンジ、
appetite.
お前も好きだったな。
何のつもりだ
Wait.
てめえ。知り合いか？
That's the
銃
dude.
の悪魔。
That's the
て
dude.
めえの心臓が
Oh
欲しい
my
んだろ
god.
Everyone's dead. End of anime. Power's not happening.
私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。人でも悪魔でもない。
Interesting.
Weird.
Oh. Is the fox dead?
Oh.
Oh, it's the gun devils. because I assumed he'd be like the bad guy this season, but I guess he's gonna be like the big bad. What is that?
That's a great question. It's called Curse.
What just happened?
That's a great question.
Who did that?
I think he
早
did.
く医者に見せ
Hayakawa.
た方がいいの。
あいつ銃を使っていやがった。
Interesting.
日本では警察とデビルハンター以外入手は不可能なのに。
呪いの悪魔。その持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬみたいな感じか。あんたいい動きだったね。
どこから来た？そいつの仲間か。
Was not dead.
どうして負けた？
油断した。マジで油断した。
じゃあさっさと殺して。
Oh, that did not look good.
Nope. When anyone teleports behind someone else, you know it's a bad time.
Yep. Is everyone going to die this episode? Oh my gosh.
I guess so.
まだ生きてるぞ。
Maybe this is all just a fever
デビル
dream
ハンターのス
Denji's
ーツは
having
頑丈だ
in
から。
the bed.
とどめを刺して。
It's drunken stupor.
Yeah.
私はいいからアキ君を助けて。
無理じゃん。あいつの動き見えんかったもん。
ゴースト。
They're outclassed.
あの女恐ろしい。
私の全部をあげるからゴーストの全部使わせて。
Can't help but feel this is above their pay grade.
Yeah? I think so. Well, whatever this is, it's about to be epic and then she's gonna die.
アキ君は泣くことができる。
Well,
Interesting.
yeah.
デビルハンターは身近な死になりすぎて涙が出なくなる。でもアキ君はすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が
Also,
死ん
he's
だ
a
時
big
なんかは
softy underneath it all.
隠れて泣いていたから面白かった。あれだけ思って泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな。
I don't want her to die. I liked
I
her.
know. I did too.
She just formed her alliance with Denji. Be worried about yourself.
Well, I think she was already committed.
私が死んだ時さ。
Yeah, but I don't want that to be the case.
I don't either.
泣いてほしいから。
ヘビ丸飲み。
Oh my god.
That's unfortunate.
帰れ。
Wow. I mean, I gotta say that's cool, but
It'd be cooler if it was
dang.
for them. But now
Yeah.
she's gone.
Aw. Oh man. Don't end here, please. Don't end here. It's gonna. Yeah.
So sad. I guess at least she can't puke in his mouth anymore.
Yeah. I guess. So many people, like, quote unquote, died in this episode. Maybe she's not actually dead.
She died in a different way. I think she's probably dead.
Rest in peace.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We're both really bummed after that ending, and hopefully more people are going to survive than we think. And we'll see you next time to find out if that's true. Bye.